Hi, John here with part 6 of the restoration journey of a 2002 Mercury Cougar. As you can see, the car has come back from the paint shop, pretty much left it as it is. I'm going to start putting the trim pieces on. Really haven't done anything yet, but as you can see, the paint turned out really well. The body work right here on the top of the wheel well on the driver's side was damaged. As you can see, they did a great job there. I got all the dents out prior to it going to the body shop, and so just a little bit of cleaning and taking off a little bit of overspray here and there and just little small parts. I can tell you that it really paid off to take all this trim off. I can't imagine how much more difficult and inferior the job would be. Can't stress enough to take those pieces off. Whatever you can take off, please do so. It will save you so much time and effort in the days ahead after the car comes back. But did a great job. I took the aerial off, took the roof channels off, took of course the wipers off, mirrors off, side marker lights off, trim, everything I can do, the tail lights, and you know, it's just going to look really, really good when it's finished. I have the front clip ready to go on as well, and I'll get started. Now on the inside of the doors, you can see there's a little demarcation here between the new paint and the old. I went back with the same Ford Oxford white, so I will go ahead and finish that up. As you can see, I put the headlight connectors in a bag underneath the hood. I put some cardboard in the headlight buckets to block paint from going inside the engine compartment, and everything was masked up really well, so there's no paint overspray inside the car. Whatever little bit there is I can remove, but everything went back together really well. And again, can't stress enough taking those parts off. I left the crash wrap on there just to keep any water from getting into that compartment there until I can put the cowl back on. But I've got a really good gloss on the paint, and it really looks terrific for the money. And big shout out to the folks at the Mako Paint Center right over there in Greer, South Carolina. Sarah and their team did a great job. They did what I wanted to accomplish, and I think this car is on its way back. So anyway, I hope your project is doing well, and whatever you're working on, there's the headlights cleaned up and ready to go in, and I hope your project works well, and you can make your dreams happen as well. So look for another entry soon on the 2002 Mercury Cougar, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.